Amina, I have a challenge to do. I need to cook this pasta as quickly as possible, okay? So can I do it all by myself today? Okay. Welcome back to We Love Food, another brand new video. Here is the thing, we don't want to just do recipes, we want to make healthy, cost efficient, something quick and easy to do, you know. Let's start cooking the pasta. Pan on, and like the last time, I'm gonna cook this pasta, the whole bag. The water is getting hot. I'm just gonna put the pasta in a hot pan. Some of you might think like, oh, this is not the way you cook pasta. Trust me, when you're in a rush, every single second counts because I want my pan to get hot. I want the water to heat at the same time. I'm gonna season the pasta. The water is hot. Straight goes in the pan. I'm gonna add the oil. There you go. My pasta is boiling. In the meantime, I will prepare all the ingredients. I have these Turkish turkey rushes and I have chorizo as well. These are halal, so don't you worry, I'm cooking everything halal. These are the three main ingredients I'm going to use in my pasta. Let's check the pasta. I always do a little bit undercook. I'm going to use the same pan. I'll put my olive oil. Wait for a few seconds, the oil is gonna be hot. So now let me tell you why I left my pasta undercooked. After draining the pasta, I don't like to add cold water in the pasta. I feel like it's just taking the taste away, and it still is cooking while it's resting and cooling it down. Okay? So my oil is hot. I'm just gonna add everything. Everything is in the pan. It's not a rocket science. Put this first, put that second, put that third. Just put everything together. Especially like if the thing's gonna cook at the same time, just add them at the same time. You see, it's really quick. This just chorizo and the turkey rushes, they cook really quick. As you can see, my pasta is nicely cooked. That's it, everything mixed together. You know, when you're in rush, there is nothing wrong to use one of these sauce because this is gonna give you all the flavors and taste, and it's gonna make your pasta amazing. And trust me, you're gonna save a lot of time. I'm just gonna add the sauce now. I don't know, do you rinse it or do you just throw it like this? But I think a lot left inside, so I will rinse it. That's it. It needed some extra water, which I got from rinsing the jar. As you can see, it's almost ready. The kitchen is still clean. That's it, it's ready. Switch off the heat. Take something easy to grab everything. There you go. Is it a big portion for you? Not for me. Cheese, cheese, cheese. That's it. Almost there. I have this basil in my kitchen for last 4 months. Chiffonade. And sprinkle on top. That's about it. Look at that. It's time to try the food. Is it good? It's a good pasta. That's the main purpose of home cooking, that kids love it because we can eat any kind of food. The hardest thing is to cook something which your kids will like. Alright guys, that's about it. We managed to cook this delicious pasta within a short period of time, but my video is a bit too long. Anyone of you who watch until this time, I really appreciate, and I hope to see you in the next video.